notebook just because.
Same for Jaden.
Just because of somebody touching his.
Do you want help doing that? Put it on the
It
ground.
mess up a lot.
Put it on there and then
Just by tapping
line it
his
up.
shoulder.
and then you push it down real hard.
Ah.
Push real hard down. Right here, I'll help you.
Can
Ready?
you like hold it?
I'll hold it in place. Okay, now you go. Hit it with your hand. Now hit it. You did it. Now do a couple more.
Where's the pen inside?
Hit it hard. There you go. You want one more?
Do one
Okay.
heel.
One there too?
Yeah, one heel. Guess what? Guess what?
What?
Aiden didn't actually whip it. He actually just.
What did he do?
He just take the part that staples and then whipped the cover.
And he broke it?
Yeah, that's what Aiden did.
There, we
Let's
don't
see what it
fit.
looks like. Owen, show it to me. So it's like a egg,
Peekaboo.
and then the egg hatches.
Peekaboo.
That's pretty cool.
Peekaboo.
Okay.
That's like.
Guess what? I was videotaping you. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Hey, boys, peace. Bye, Mamo-chan.
No, don't listen to him. Don't listen to
Bye,
him.
Mamo-chan.
Listen to this cute little guy.
Okay. Wow, that's cool. The
Nope.
egg hatch.
That guy was actually not for sale. Don't buy him. He's a cheap dummy.
Oh, don't say dummy. That's bad word. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye, Mom.